because after you're done pouring out a smoothie, there's always a lot of waste, and you have to clean the jar. Somehow we've taken the most powerful blender there is out on the market and make it so that you can actually blend in just a basic solo cup, 4-inch diameter, needs to have a lip. You can do a small, medium, or large. We've just filled this one up with ice. We'll add our puree. You can use frozen fruit, berries, fresh banana, whatever you want. This is the Nitro. Just twist that right on top. And that is now your blending cup. Turn that on high for 10 seconds or so. Of course, Blendtec machines, pre-programmed blend cycles can do whatever you want, and then it shuts itself off when it's done. Now, instead of having all that waste and cleanup, that is all you're left with. Put a lid on that and a straw, hand it to your customer out the door, grab the next one, repeat, repeat, repeat.
Just take it halfway down when you tighten it down, and when you remove the cup, simply twist all the way down and let it come up and out.